guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video we are shopping at Walmart. I am showing you all of their Valentine's Day items they have for you this year. We are going down the little gift aisles, the candy boxes, all of the candy, the stuffed animals, the greeting cards, and then finally I'm going to show you a couple sweet treats that I found in the code section. So let's go ahead and get into this video. If you are a Friends fan, then you will love these mugs they had. It comes in a set of two, so one for you and your bestie. They say you're the Rachel to my Monica, and then you're the Monica to my Rachel. So those were very cute. And then they had a mug from Starbucks that had a hot cocoa packet in it, as well as a little cookie straw. Of course, they had all the stuffed animals you would want to choose from, and then they had this little section of crafts you could do with your kids, some washable paint, and just some fun little things there. Their gift bag selection is pretty big this year, several in different colors. My favorite was this pink one with the white XOs and little red shiny hearts on it. And they're all pretty good prices. As you can see, these are only 98 cents. If you are getting your kids something for Valentine's Day, these bags would be perfect. When I was a little girl, The Little Mermaid was like my favorite movie ever, so of course I had to pick this up and see what all was in it. And then I found these gift boxes like I did at Target. They had some tin mailboxes, kind of similar to the cardboard like ones they had at Dollar Tree. I believe these were $1.48. Yeah, I think they were $1.48. They had this really cool cookie kit. Came with the icing and the sprinkles, so that would be a fun little activity to do. Of course, they had all your regular baking supplies. They had more little gift boxes and plates and napkins, all the stuff for parties, like little parties that you might be doing at school. They had more heart picks, had treat bags, so it just seemed like they had a whole lot of stuff. I actually didn't need much. I did want to just go through and look at everything. And then they had all these cute towels, and again, I wish I would have grabbed some of those hand towels. Now I don't know what I was thinking. Going back through watching these videos, I just noticed that little jar with the heart on top. I did not buy that, and I would have if I would have noticed it. So I even like to go back through these videos where it's shopping with me to see the things that I missed, because sometimes you have to go through that aisle like one or two times for you to be able to see everything that they have. But anyways, I'm going to finish going through this section, and then we will head to the back where the refrigerated stuff is, and I'll show you some Valentine's Day desserts.
And I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know everything about me, like I need my territory.
Walmart had these Pillsbury Heart sugar cookies, or cutout cookies. I'm not really sure if they're sugar or shortbread, but you know, the ones they always have for the different holidays. They had those with hearts on them. They also had the Pillsbury Grand cinnamon rolls with strawberry and cream icing. We really like cinnamon rolls, so we decided to get those for our dessert tonight. End of the video, I am going to show you what those look like.
You don't ever take a break. It's always about you, always about you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you, but now you're so rude, 'cause you love drama. 'Cause you love drama. You love drama. Funny how it changed in a matter of time. First you were so easy, but now I can't even get through to what's your name? Always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break. 'Cause you love drama, forget the karma. No, you don't ever take a break. It's always about you, always about you.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much when you do that. Also, please subscribe if you are a new viewer. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I'm trying to reach my first 500 subscribers and I can't do it without you, so please hit that subscribe button now and leave me a comment down below. I love to connect with my viewers and I will see you in my next video. Bye!